Can you bust it like me?
Oh.
Oh my God. What the? We can take this bitch to our room.
Wait, what are we doing? They just heat it up now.
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to do. Hey, I'm gonna take this bitch to the room.
There we go. Oh yeah, just
Instructions, shit. Instructions, man.
we better hurry up and use it before everybody just.
I want to take that bit upstairs.
I know, but you know. Watch that till air.
Hey, Chad, we found a microwave. A microwave all night.
My eyes are straight open. I said, "What is that?"
Bitch, you smart. Golden eye looking at.